Morning students, welcome to Maths class 5, chapter 5, fractions, multiplication and division, part 3, multiplication of more than two fractions. See students, we multiply more than two fractions in the same way as we multiply two fractions. That is, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So in same way we multiply more than two fractions, students. In last video you have seen that to multiply two fractions we multiply their numerators and denominators separately and write as the product. So in the same way you can multiply more than two fractions also. Say examples students. Exercise 5.2 question number 2. Multiply the following fractions. See first question. 2 by 4 into 2 by 7 into 5 by 9. So here numerators are 2, 2 and 5. We will multiply 2 into 2 into 5 and denominators are 4, 7 and 9. So we will multiply them 4 into 7 into 9 and write in denominators. Numerators multiply by numerators and write as numerator of the product, and denominator multiply by denominators and write as the denominator of the product. This is simple students. So 2 into 2 into 5 divided by 4 into 7 into 9. Now see, there are some common factors. Cancel the common factors. See, this is 2 and this is 4. Numerators 2, denominators 4. 2 and 4 has common factor 2. So divide both numbers by 2 and write the quotient. 2 banja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Now this 2 and 2 have common factor 2. So divide both by 2. 2 banja 2, 2 banja 2. Means 2 2 are cancelled. Now see, there is no common factor. 5 is a prime number. It cannot be divided by any other number. Denominators are 7 and 9. So 5, 7 and 9 have no common factors. So now multiply the numerator. 1 into 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 7 into 9 equal to 5. 1 1 ja 1, 5 ja 5 and 1 7 ja 7, 7 9 ja 63, and 5 by 63 is a proper fraction. This is the answer. It cannot be converted into mixed fraction because proper fraction is proper. Numerator is less than denominator. So it is the answer. Now see other question. Question number E. 11 by 15 into 30 by 33 into 6 by 7 into 4 by 30. There are four fractions, students. In the same way you will multiply. First multiply numerator 11 into 30 into 6 into 4 by denominators 15 into 33 into 7 into 30. Now cancel the common factors, students. See, in numerator there is 11 and denominator 33. 11, you know students, 11 3 is 33. 11 and 33 has common factor 11. So cancel it by 11. 11 banja 11. Write 1 here, and 11 3 ja 33. And 3 times 11 goes to 33. So write 3 here. Now see, 30 and 15 also have common factor 15. You know 15 2 ja 30 होता है. तो 15 and 30. Divide 15 by 15. 15 1 ja 15 and 15 2 ja 30. Write 2 here. Now see, 6 and 30 also have common factor 6. You know 6 5 ja 30. So 6 1 ja 6 and 6 5 ja 30. Now see, if any other common factors are there in numerator and denominator, No, there is no other common factors. Now we will multiply numerator and denominator separately. 1 into 2 into 1 into 4. 1 2 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So numerators of the product is 8 divided by denominator 1 3 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21 and 21 5 ja 105. Thus 8 by 105 is the answer, students, because it is in proper fraction. No need to convert it into any other type of fraction, and this is in simplest form because we have cancelled the common factors in the steps only. If we multiplied numerator and denominator, we would have to cancel common factors here in the product, but it is easy to cancel the common factors first. Now see one more question, students. Number F, 8 by 14 into 8 by 16 into 5 by 9 equal to numerators 8 into 8 into 5 divided by denominator 14 into 16 into 9. Now cancel the common factors. You can see, students, see 8 and 14 has common factor 2, so divide it by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 7 ja 14, to write 4 and 7. Now see 8 and 16, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16 and 8 1 ja 8, write 8 over, write 1 over 8. And now 5 and 9, in 5 and 9 there is no common factor, but see 2 and 4 have common factors, in denominator 2 and numerator 4. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, again cancel it. Now there is no common factor, so multiply numerators and denominators. In numerators 2 into 1 into 5 divided by, in denominator 7 into 1 into 9 equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10 by 7 1 ja 7, 7 9 ja 63. It is in proper fraction, so this is the answer. So this much for today, students. In next video we will do some more questions. If you like this maths video series, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.